What's up, Studio Addicts on YouTube? I'm Jamie, this is Micah, and this is Jana, and we are gonna do a 10-minute fast and furious, very intense abdominal workout to Madonna. So it's hopefully songs that you know, songs that'll keep you motivated and engaged. But we would like to take this opportunity really quickly to let you know about the Studio Online. We have hundreds and hundreds of on-demand workouts, lots and lots of different formats. We have dance fitness. We have quickies like the one you're about to do for upper body, lower body, abs. We have everything you could imagine, from hip-hop yoga to a bar high class like none you've ever done before, choreographed weightlifting, and of course, as you know on our channel, dance fitness. We offer a 2-week free trial to every single new member or subscriber. So you can click this or this, I'm not sure which side it'll be on. Click the little thing at the top, it says 2-week free trial, and come and join us, give it a shot. You got nothing to lose at all whatsoever, and if you decide to subscribe, it's less than $1 a day. Pretty sure you probably spend more than that on a cup of coffee, so skip the coffee, have the sweat. Yeah. We're gonna take our feet about hip-width distance, a little bend in the knees, and we're just gonna start to warm up our rib cage by taking it nice and slow. Right and front, left, and we're gonna speed this up. Right, front, left, back. Now, 2 circles, smooth it out. 4, 3, 2, other way. Go left and front, right, and back again. We're just warming up and making a connection to our core. Speed this up. Yeah. Now smooth it out. For 4, 3, 2. Get down nice and low. You're gonna go up, down. The right hand is behind your leg. Speed this up. Now 2 circles. Other side. Go up and down. Up and faster. 2 circles. Other way. Go up. You should start to feel a little burn here, really isolating that rib cage. Up, and circle. Squeeze your core in, tight, and up, and down. Hey. Yeah, circle it out. Now hands behind your head. You're gonna touch your ankle. Up, touch, and up. Now straighten. Here. Other side. Down. Squeeze your core really tight. And lift. We're going to go back to the top. Up, down, squeeze tight. And speed it up. Go up. Circle it. Big, huge circle with that chest. Up. Woo. Good job. Don't hold your breath. Circle. Again. Remember, you're really focusing on that core. Squeezing tight. Hey. Up. Let the music be pumping. Superstar. Back to those ankle taps. Here we go. Down and up. Really squeezing. Lift. Down for 4. Last one. Here we go. Nice. Good job, girls. Squeeze tight. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now take it down. Pull. Now we're going to move our ribs right to left. Squeeze. Again, take it down. 3, 2, isolate those ribs. We're going to stay right here. Now we're going to take it in a big circle. Hips and ribs. 4, 3, 2, ankle. Nice job. And lift. For 4, using that oblique. Down. Squeeze tight. Yeah. And stand. For 4, we're going to do that same thing again. Down. Squeeze. Down. And up. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take it down. This is our last one. And stand. Use that oblique to lift. Now, we're going to roll it down. Roll down. And up. Now, as you roll, you're going to squeeze your core, thinking about every muscle working to round the spine. Last one, hands on your knees. We're going to hold this. Hold. Hold. Put some weight in your palms. I'm going to turn to the side so you're really high right here. We love you. Squeeze. All the weight is on your palms and your legs are relaxed. Now we're going to take it in a circle. The only thing that's working here is every single muscle in your core. 4, 3, 2, switch directions, around. Nice and slow at first, really feeling every single muscle work. Now we're gonna speed this up, other way, right? 4, 3, and switch. 2, 1, back to those ankle taps, down, up, isolate, and squeeze, focus. Let's go ahead and finish that out right here. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. We're going to take it down onto our backs. This is going to be very isolated, so you want to focus in. And what I want to tell you is to keep your shoulders off the floor. So as we're getting started, your shoulders are off the floor and your tailbone tucks. You have to really connect your mind to your lower abdominals. You're twisting your hip and bringing it up towards you. Okay, now we're going to combine that with 4 crunch, 2, 3, hold at the top, and hips for 4. Right there. Do it again. Take it up. Woo! Nice job. You should feel that in your pelvic floor muscles. Okay? Now lift. Yeah. Hold and tuck. Okay, ladies. We're gonna hold it at the top. Now you're gonna take your right foot out, keeping your shoulders off the floor. You take it out, left foot follows. And right now your heels are off the ground, but your toes are on it. We're gonna speed this up and add that tailbone tick. Up, right here. Now circle and circle, left side lead. Now, if you want a challenge, you're gonna keep that heel off the ground and just touch your toes. Heel, toe, nice job. One more. One more right, one more left. 4, 3, 2, and back to the top. Those heels can drop. 4 crunches. Nice job. Now, tuck, tuck. Breathe. Exhale on that crunch. Good job, ladies. Do it again. Let's go. Hold, pelvic, tuck. Hey. Woo! Tuck it like you mean it. All right, we take that right foot out. Left foot follows. This is just kind of a little breather and to get those heels off the ground. And now we speed this up and elevate the heel. Circle, 2, 2. Now left side. You hold that key. Yeah. Squeeze. As you squeeze, notice my butt's not coming off the ground very much. Now, just release. Take those legs out. Give yourself a big inhale. Arms out. Everybody go ahead and lift up. And then you're gonna lean back on your forearms. Shoot those feet out. Up, 2, 3, 4, and down. 2, 3, 4. Woo! Nice work. You're not putting a whole lot of weight on those forearms. You're taking most of the weight in the core. Yeah. Now, bicycle, bicycle. Yes? Are you guys ready? Slide back down, hands behind your head. Here we go. We go. Right, left, circle, and circle. Left. Woo. Yeah. Nice work, everybody. We're gonna stay right here. Out, in, circle. Every single muscle in that core is working to lift those hips. This is not a butt move. We're not up here, okay? You really need to isolate and squeeze. All right, everybody, big reach back. And go ahead and roll it up. Lead with that heart. Take it back. We're gonna finish right here. Just nice little flutter kicks. Steady. Now, what you wanna watch for is that you don't end up like this, because that's a low back move. Keep that tailbone tucked and your ribs and your hips close. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's flip it around. Okay, so we're gonna start in a forearm plank. If you're exhausted, just know it's is your last song, and the last minute of it is going to be some stretching. So really push yourself. Take it down into a forearm plank. You can clasp your hands, you can make an 11, you can do it however you want. Lift those legs back, squeeze your core in tight. We go slow, right knee comes in, and then crosses out and back. Left knee, in and out. So you pull it straight up, then twist to the center, then out. We're gonna speed this up. In 4, 3, let's go. Boom, boom. I need a holiday after this filming day. Woo! Nice job. Really think about that core work. In, out, back. Nice job. Now take it up to a dolphin. Little rest there. Give your core a break. And as you come down the plank, tuck that tailbone. Woo! Good job. Now we're going to take it up onto our palms and hold it right here. You go 2 circles, and dip, left, dip, right, circle. Circle, dip, left, dip, right. Make that movement big and isolated and controlled. Woo! Now we're going to take it over to a side plank right here. Big breath in. Nice job. Woo! Just squeeze and hold, activating that left side oblique. Now drop, turn, right here. We're working backwards, lift. Squeeze that left side oblique. Lift your hips as high as you can. Press your palm into the floor. Reach the crown of your head forward and breathe. Yeah. Let's take it back down into our full plank. We start with the circles, 2 circles. 2 hip dips, left and right. Now circle, circle, hip. Keep going. Woo! So we're working backwards. You know exactly what we have left to do. You know you're almost done. You're more than halfway there. Nice job. Dip and squeeze. Last one. Good job. Take it back down onto your forearms. And let's just take it back and up. Woo! How you girls doing? Hey, hey. Beautiful. All right. We go in, out, and back. So straight up, cross the body, take it out, shoot it back. In, cross. We have one more set of this fast, and then we get to rest and stretch. Let's go. In, cross, out, back. In, cross. Woo! Yes. Beautiful. Almost there. Come on. Push it. You've got it. You're a queen. You can do anything. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop the knees. Shift back. Child's pose. Woo! You did it. You made it. Inhale through your nose. And exhale, stretch. We're going to scoot through to an up dog. Stretching our front body. Press your hips down. Roll your shoulders back. Lift the crown of your head. And just breathe. Good job. Shift your knees back, tuck your toes, and we're just gonna stand on up, roll it up, face forward, lift your arms up tall, and all the way over, big, huge side body stretch. Like use your right hand, grab your left wrist, and pull. Yeah, nice job. Inhale up, and same thing on the other side. Beautiful job. I know that's hard and that is intense, 10 minutes, but it's only 10 minutes. And I say this a lot in class. Strong core, strong spine, strong body. Your core is a lot of things, not just your abs, okay? We're doing this for a healthy life, not just for that six-pack or whatever it is that, you know, you think abdominal workouts are for. This is so that we can stand and be strong, we can hike when we're older, and what else do you need to do all those things? Strong upper body and strong lower body. Today, Jana also filmed one 15-minute workout for your upper body and one 15-minute workout for your lower body. So add those on to any cardio workout or this on a day whenever you're in a time crunch. Pick and choose between those quickies. We'll see you next time.